Ever wish you could take a picture and put it right on your piece of wood? I'm going to show you how I use this little projector to beam an image right onto the wood, get it sized, and get it ready for chainsaw carving. And use that image as a guide. It's a simple trick, but it can make laying out a carving a whole lot easier. Let's get this image onto the wood. To do this, I purchased the most inexpensive Bluetooth projector that I could. Just pair your phone to the projector and then choose an image on your phone and beam it right onto the wood that you're going to carve. For my subject, I chose a salmon on this natural edge yellow pine slab. Then grab you a marker and then start tracing away. The cool thing about this is you can do this with pears or carvings or anything you want to put a pattern onto a wood block that you want to carve on. And I was about to get to carving on this, but well, unfortunately I would get to carving on this, but I had some cracks I had to repair, so I gotta wait 24 hours before I can start cutting on it. So that carving's gonna have to be continued later. Thanks for watching.